Thank you. Under leadership nature, leaders will have a drive to inspire the ones they lead. For leadership is about the people. They have to lead deliberately and not to apologize for conviction or face into background when resistance arises. Leaders must believe it is their responsibility to set standard even when it means to be unpopular. Leaders, they must see themselves as committee members, not politicians, or as everybody's friends, but as leaders. Leaders must spring out of ownership of responsibilities, have a duty to set example in talk, in action, in things they do, place they go, their way, and purposes. That means leaders must have a character. They must be well behaved or they must be sober. So leaders must be disciplined. If you are not disciplined, then you cannot make a good leader. Leaders may work while others waste time. When people are wasting time, leaders always work. Leaders must study while others sleep. They have no place for loose or lazy habits in words, in thoughts, in deeds, or in dress. They observe a soldierly discipline, diet, and appointment. Leaders are not dominated with schedules, TV guides, or family opinions, but demonstrate their passion for their work or their passion to lead. Thank you.